Okay, we're back, and we got everything fitting nice, but we can't access some areas, so we're going to show you that right now. We got the headlight in, but up in here where we got that dent, the apron, the fender apron on the inside is too close to work this out. So we have a problem solver. Lenko dent puller. Can you see that? Bad boy there. Anyways, it'll weld to the sheet metal. You can see we got the ground on, and hopefully you can watch us do this. We'll try it one-handed if we can. Here is our stud. So this is low through here, and as you can see those sparks? It welded itself. And we hit it up, twist it off, and we're going to move to the next spot. Right through here we got a crease we got to get up. All we need is a little bit of pulling. And that's why we ground it so good, so you can get some good welding. Just a little bit of sparks. Anyways, I don't know if you can see that, but we pulled that right up. There's a little bit of a low spot through here, so let's pull that up close. You see that? See the metal come up? Right here it traveled, little crease. Woo, not a good enough ground, but we're good. There you go. I don't know if you see how I pulled all that metal up. Now, remember our problem child in here. So what we're going to do is, the only problem is we got to change our ground because it won't transfer over to this fender. It's a separate piece of metal. Magnetic. Isn't life beautiful? So, right here's our low spot, right in the center. Not too hard. Just like that. That's all we want. Sorry about the camera there. It's kind of hard one-handed. But that looks pretty good. We're going to do one more spot on there, and we'll come back later when we got some plastic on and the headlight out and ready to finish it. We'll see you then.